Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that several people have left me. To see if when changing the clutch in the car engine, you always have to change the flywheel. The answer is no, the flywheel is only changed if we look at that moment. Because it is damaged or has little useful life left, and taking advantage of the fact that we have the gearbox down, it would be changed, to avoid that within 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 or 10,000 kilometers. That engine flywheel has problems and the gearbox has to be lowered again, with the consequent economic expense. Take a look, for example, this one we have here, it would have to be changed. Look. You see, here when lowering the gearbox, we have observed that the primary and secondary are hit. So here it would have to be changed. In addition, when the flywheel is changed, the clutch is always changed. Because the clutch takes the vice of the flywheel, its deformations, etc., then there you do have to change it, but as I say, to change the clutch, you don't always change the flywheel. If we see that it is in good condition, you don't change it, okay? Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.